he's invited this young girl over to his house, allegedly, um, murdered her with a sharp implement, which we don't know exactly what he's killed her with, but there were two penetrative injuries to Celeste. And then turns out what he's done, and look at this. We've seen it before, but just in case anyone, these are the sort of pictures that were on his Instagram and things. He's this is a guy who's literally murdered Celestine Foot. He's been around for years telling people what a weirdo he was, openly, really, writing songs like Romantic Homicide, printing, posting pictures of him in a white shirt covered in blood, posting videos of him hiding a body, posting anime videos of murdering a young